Hello everyone, I am Mrudula and today's topic is the respiratory system. So respiratory system is the biological system which consists of various organs and structures which are used for gas exchange in plants and animals. All the cells that are present in your human body needs oxygen for their work. As they take in oxygen, they release the gas which is known as carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide is also called as waste gas. It goes into your bloodstream and gets carried out to your lungs. You breathe it out when you exhale. So this is the vital function done by respiratory system called as gas exchange, and your body is set up to do it automatically. Breathing is not only the job done by respiratory system. Other tasks it include is the warming up air so that it matches your body temperature, then moisturizing the air to humidity level that your body needs, then protecting your airways from things that might irritate or harm them, and letting you smell and talk. So the respiratory system is divided into two parts, that is upper respiratory system and the lower respiratory system. The upper respiratory tract is made up of nose and nasal cavity, sinuses, mouth, throat that is known as pharynx, and the voice box that is known as larynx. The lower respiratory system or the lower respiratory tract is made up of windpipe, trachea, diaphragm, lungs, bronchiole, then alveoli and the capillaries. Now let's see the organs of respiratory system one by one. First one is the nose and nasal cavity. So the nose is divided into left and right portion by the septum, and it is lined by the mucous membrane. The entrance for the nasal cavity is from the anterior nares, which known as the nostrils. They contain the small hairs which are responsible for or which act as a filter for the dust. The back of nasal cavities contains posterior nares and they form the entrance for the nasopharynx. Second one is the pharynx. Pharynx has again three parts, that is nasopharynx, oropharynx and the laryngopharynx. Nasopharynx lies behind the nasal cavities, oropharynx continues with the mouth, and the laryngopharynx are the lowest part that lies behind the larynx. Next is the larynx. So larynx is also known as the voice box. So it is the hollow organ that allows you to talk and make sound when air moves in and out. It lies between the above the pharynx and below the trachea. Then next is the trachea. Trachea is known as the windpipe and it is in cylindrical tube shaped. The length of trachea is 11 cm. It starts from the lower end of the pharynx. After trachea, the next is the bronchi. So trachea ends by dividing into two portions, that is right bronchi and left bronchi. They pass to the corresponding lungs. The right bronchitis is slightly wider and shorter than that of the left one. The next one is the bronchioles. Bronchioles are formed by the division of bronchi. Bronchioles are the fine branches of bronchi and they are lined by the cuboidal epithelium. After bronchioles, there is the next one is the alveoli, that is air sacs. So alveoli are the fine termination of each bronchi. They contain a thin layer of epithelial cells and they are surrounded by the numerous capillaries. Exchange of gases can take place through the walls of these capillaries. Now let's see the working of respiratory system. Breathing starts when you inhale the air into your mouth or nose. It travels down the back of throat and into the windpipes known as trachea. These tracheas are divided into two different air passages known as bronchi tubes. For your lung to perform the best, it is necessary for airways to be open, and these airways should be free from inflammation, swelling, and the extra mucus. As the bronchiole passes through the lungs, it gets divided into two smaller air passages called as bronchioles, and these bronchioles again get divided into end up into the tiny balloon like air sacs known as alveoli, and your body has about 600 million alveoli. The alveoli are surrounded by the mesh of tiny blood vessels called capillaries. Here the oxygen from air inhaled is goes into the your blood, passes to the blood. Then after absorbing oxygen, that blood passes or goes to the heart, where heart pumps that blood and transports it from your body to the cells of tissue and other organs. As the cells absorb or use the oxygen, they make the carbon dioxide, which goes into the blood, and then that blood carries that carbon dioxide back to your lungs, where it is removed from your body when you exhale. Thank you.